Most people use Spotlight search in the slowest way possible. You type a file name, hit return, and move on. But Spotlight search is just not a search bar. It's more like a tiny command genie that's built into your Mac. Today in this video, I will share with you 10 really powerful Spotlight tricks that you will start using every single day. First, I want you to really change the way you access a Spotlight search. Most of the users, whenever they need to access a Spotlight search, they will go to menu bar, click on the magnifying glass, and this is how they access a Spotlight search. But let me tell you the keyboard shortcut. Simply press Command and space together, and that will bring up a Spotlight search right away. Try to use this shortcut every day to access a Spotlight search. Once you make it a part of your muscle memory, you will not even move the cursor and click on it manually after this. 7 out of 10 users I have seen keeping their dock really busy. Too many apps there. In fact, sometimes they forget which one they're looking for and where it is. Spotlight launches the apps faster than your hand can even reach your icons. Press Command space on the keyboard and type the name of your app. Whatever it is, press the return key and boom, it comes on the screen right away. Don't even bother opening Calculator app on your Mac. You can do almost all basic maths just within seconds in a Spotlight search. Just type what you want to do, the results appears instantly. Again, it's about making it part of your muscle memory. You need to multiply, subtract, addition, whatever you wish to do. It's pretty handy. Just go ahead and enter the numbers and you get the results instantly without any delays at all. You can convert currencies in real time. All you need to do is just type in there, convert temperature, even convert to storage, or distance. You can even convert the weight. No websites, no ads, no distraction, a built-in wonderful tool in macOS. You're scrolling through a website, you're reading an article, and you found a terminology or maybe a word you have no clue about. You can simply copy it, open a Spotlight search, paste that word, and then type define. In the first result, you get the definition of that specific word. You open it, you find everything about it. Being human, you also end up doing sometimes the typo errors. And a Spotlight search fixes that on its own. With the help of a Spotlight, you can search for a specific city or state's time zone, weather forecast, just within seconds. So far, if you've realized, we have already learned in this video how to avoid opening and clicking on multiple apps for a variety of purposes and do all that business within just a Spotlight search. Now let me take you a little more deeper into it. Suppose you have a problem with the audio on your MacBook. Maybe it's a microphone problem or speaker problem. You will open a Spotlight search and you will simply type sound. Enter and you will be taken directly to the sound settings. Now let's suppose you have a problem with the keyboard or trackpad. By the way, while you're looking for a specific setting and you know already you're looking for setting, you can even apply a filter here. Right there in these tabs, you have this option. You can add this tag here. And now you get the specific setting only. So even if there are documents and other apps associated with that specific keyword, they would be all filtered out and you will only get the system settings options. So bottom line, no more manual navigation, clicking on Apple icon, clicking on system settings, manually scrolling through the screen here and there. No, just go ahead and type the exact setting you want to access in Spotlight. Now let's suppose you had a file and you can't figure out where it is. You completely forgot it. In fact, you don't even know the specific file name. So you open a Spotlight search. If you know the type of file you're looking for, put in there kind, colon, Let's suppose you're looking for PDF. Now, if you know the name of the file, that's going to be pretty easy. Or if it contains a specific keyword, you can even enter it there, name, colon, enter a date range. Suppose your file is from last month or this month. If you have any file matching all these filters, you will see them listed in the dropdown. This can be a perfect method to discover a file if you have a messy desktop, a messy computer with too much data on it. If the previous step did not locate your file, you can enter the Pro Search mode. Press Command, Option, Space. This bypasses the Spotlight search and opens a dedicated Finder window with the search. In this window, the first thing, we are looking for something which is available on this Mac. On right, you have plus symbol, click on it. From here, you start adding the filters. In the first filter, you can choose the name, created date, or kind. Any, or you can specifically look for whatever you want. Let's say you want PDF. In the second filter, now we can go ahead and add a name, contains, or matches. So now I have pretty precise results. And then I can save it with a specific name. Now this step also teaches you how to fix a Spotlight if it is broken. Over the months or years, the index becomes messy, bloated, outdated. You type something, it takes forever to bring up the results. In such condition, to troubleshoot a Spotlight, press Command Space together and then type Spotlight. Where you see at the bottom Search Privacy, click on it. Click on this plus symbol. From the top tab, choose Macintosh HD. Choose, click OK. Done. With this action, you're telling a Spotlight to stop indexing the data across the main drive. In fact, that clears the old index history instantly. Now you can again scroll it down till the bottom under Spotlight, Settings, and Search Privacy. Click on it and now select Macintosh HD in this window and remove it. When you remove it, Spotlight says, okay, let me scan everything on this drive from the very scratch. Depending on the amount of data you have on your Mac, this indexation process can take time. Just leave it the way it is. Maybe give it about 10 minutes and then try using a Spotlight search. This is it in this video. You just unlock the Pro version of a Spotlight search on your Mac. Initially, these methods may sound a little challenging. You may not be able to adapt them immediately. But when you get used to them, you start pushing yourself to learn them, I can assure you, you will love them. You will not go back to the way you were using your Mac by hitting those apps every time. And now if you're ready, it is time for you to master the Finder, which is an incredible tool itself within your macOS. Watch out this video. And if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe Crazy Editors for future tech tips, tricks, and solutions. Until next time, you take care of yourself and I will see you in the next one.